Are you looking to create a professional history, documentary, timeline animation using CapCut on your PC? In this tutorial, I will guide you through each step of the process. So without any delay, let's get started. First, import your background image to the timeline. Stretch or scale it perfectly to fit the screen. To give it a more cinematic and focused look, reduce its opacity slightly. This will darken the background and help other elements stand out more clearly. Now we will add an overlay to enhance the visual appeal. You can download all the assets I am using from my WhatsApp channel. The link is in the description below. Once you have added the overlay, rotate it to 90 degrees to align it vertically, resize and position so it fits nicely across the screen. Then go to the blend mode settings and change it to multiply. This will blend the overlay with the background, giving our timeline a polished and professional look. Now let's create the first line of our timeline. Add a new text layer. Instead of typing words, input a series of dashes. Adjust the character spacing until the dashes merge together to form a continuous line. Position this line where you want it on the screen. Once placed, right click on the text layer and make them compound clip. This will allow us to animate the line as a single element. To animate the line, go to mask section and choose split mask. If you want the animation to begin from opposite side, simply invert the mask. Now add a transform keyframe, drag the mask downwards to set the starting position. Move a few frames forward on the timeline and drag the mask upward to reveal the timeline. This creates a smooth line reveal animation. Now we will animate a marker using a circle. Add another text layer, delete the default text and press Windows plus dot to open the emojis panel. From the symbol category, select the circle emoji. You can change its color to yellow or any shade that matches your theme. Next, animate the circle by going to the transform section. Set a keyframe with the scale set to 0 so that it starts off invisible. Move a few frames forward and increase the scale back to its original size. This will give the appearance of circle popping into place. Let's add another line animation. Just like the first one, create a new text layer with dashes again. Adjust its scale and color match to design preference. Animate it the same way using the split mask and keyframe. Position it on the screen. For added detail, create another dash line, add a new text layer, enter dashes and place it under the previously animated lines. Use the mask and transfer keyframe again to animate it. Make sure to adjust the timing of when the animation starts so everything looks smooth and coordinated. Now it's time to add the labels or text content. Create a new text layer, choose a clean and bold font and add your timeline text. Position it just below the short dash line. You can give it text, a subtitle, interest, animation to keep it dynamic. Now add your main heading, create a new text layer, type in your main message or event title and adjust its size and placement to balance the composition. Add a simple fade in animation to give it a smooth appearance on screen. And that's it, your history, documentary, timeline animation is now complete. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel for more high quality editing tutorials in the future. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one. Until then, take care and goodbye.